everyone, so today I have got an exciting video and I have got the Beauty Crop mini advent calendar. So this is like an advent calendar full of miniatures. I'm assuming, I think that's how it is. This is a 25-day advent calendar. They do have a full-size advent calendar. I think that's ranging nearly £100, but this is a 25-day advent calendar at £35, so it's very budget friendly. And it works out at £1.40 a day, which is amazing. And yeah, we're going to unbox it. I love Beauty Crop products, so I'm quite excited about unboxing some more beauty Crop items, and we will see what we get. This is the advent calendar here. This is what it looks like. It's quite pretty, and remembering this is a 25-day advent calendar. It works out at £1.40 a day. And I'm dead excited to unbox this. So we want day number 1, which is here. We have got little mini size. This is the Glow Milk, and it doesn't say anything else. Prosecco Mini Liquid Eyeshadow. And this is the shade. It looks so pretty. And it's so cute. So that was day number 1. We want day number 2. See if it's on. Here it is. Here, it's a little bit of a bigger day. We have got the Eau Cherie, and I love the Eau Cherie like tinted lip balm they do. We have got the Eau Cherie Radiance Boost Gel Cleanser. I didn't think we were going to get stuff like cleansers and stuff in this. That's quite exciting. This is a 30ml size. Ooh, I'm quite excited about that. We want day number 3. So day number 3, which is here. We have got the Eau Cherie Noir Mini Eyeshadow Palette. Let's have a look at this. This looks lovely. This like little palette here. The eyeshadow palette looks like here. How pretty is that? Oh, what a lovely little size. I love that. Like, this is like a perfect size for me. I like a nice, small, simple eyeshadow palette. What a good little day. I like that day. We want day number 4, which is here. And we have got the Eau Cherie Radiance Boost Moisturiser, enriched with cherry extract, hyaluronic acid and panthenol. And that is it there. 30ml size again. So that's day number 4. And day number 5, which is just here. We have got the BFF Brow Friends Forever Clear Brow Gel. I've had this brow gel. It's really quite nice. Yeah, I've had this before. It's a nice one. If it's what I'm thinking, and I think it is. So yeah, that was day number 5. We went to day number 6, which is here. We have got a double day. A double day. That's quite exciting. We have got the Lipped Cream Lip Liner, and it's in Cherie Noir. That is it there. Just a little mini size, but I mean, I think that's quite nice. And we've got another Glow Milk, and this is the Cherie Noir Mini Lip Oil. And that is it there. Oh, so you're getting the lip liner and the lip oil in one day. So that's good. That was 6. I like that day. We're on day number 7, which is here. We have got the Pore Filter Mini Blotting Powder. Let's have a look at you. I'm assuming it is translucent. Get it out of its box, and this is it here. It looks like a eyeshadow, but it is a blotting powder. I think that's nice. Great for traveling. We have tried the product as well, and like, it is advertised as a mini advent calendar, like mini products, and that's why it's a bit cheaper. So that was 7. We want day number 8, which is here. Oh, we've got a little bath fizzer. Oh, it smells lovely. It is the Eau Cherie Mini Fragrance Bath Bomb. I wonder if this is like the Eau Cherie advent calendar. I feel like it is. Probably is. Right, day number 9, which is here. Oh my god, this has got to be the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. And I know a lot of you will probably diss this item, but this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I love them. And if the quality is good, they are so going to be big little staples in my little travel makeup bag. The most cutest. They are little baby brushes, literally little baby eyeshadow brushes. I'm so happy with them. So happy. Oh, love it. Absolutely love it. Love that day. Love that day. That was 9. We want day number 10, which is here. We have got a set of 4 hair and body fragrance mist samples. You've got the Pop and Peony, the Colada Days, Cherry Noir and Eau Cherie. Do they do fragrance? I don't know. But I am so happy with this. You guys know I love fragrance. And that's them there. That's what they look like, little ones. So they're literally like fragrance samples, but you're getting 4 of them. I love that day. I absolutely love that day. I love perfume, and I love that we're getting like 4 different ones, and that they haven't separated them out in as one day. You're getting 4, so you're getting 4 1.5ml samples, so you're getting about a size of a mini perfume with the 4 together. So yeah, I'm not complaining about that day. I actually really like that day. It's different. That was day number 10. We went to day number 11, which is here. We have got the Peptide Calm Hydrating Lip Treatment in Chocolate Mint. Oh my god, that sounds amazing. I think I know I'm going to have to gift this to somebody, because I know somebody loves chocolate mint. So yeah, that was day number 11. We want to day number 12, which is here. We have got a blusher. We have got the Luminous Powder Blush, Mini Press Powder Blush. In the shade, I can't see, wait there. Faux de Jus, I think, but this is it, yeah. How pretty is that? Such a pretty shade. Very, that would be very, like a shimmer blush. Really bonny product, yeah. That was day number 12. We want day number 13. Which is here. We've got another big size product, and this is the Eau Cherie Gripping Primer. Really good size. This is 15ml. Super for all skin types. That's 13. We want day number 14, which is down here. We have got, now I'm sure I've seen people go on about this, the Vitamin Babe Setting Powder. And it's just a little, and this is in translucent 0. That is 14. We want date number 15, which is down here. We have got a lipped cream again, but in the shade Cupcake. We're on date number 16, which is here. We have got the Hydrating Setting Mist, and it's like a one you shake up. Again, the Eau Cherie brand or type 1. I'm sure I've had one of their setting mist and I loved it. That was 16. We want day number 17, which is along here. We have got another primer. It's a 15ml. This is the Airbrush Primer. It says it's enriched with caffeine, cucumber, water and panthenol. And that is what it looks like there. That was 17. We went to date number 18, which is down here. We have got another Glow Milk, and this is the Rose Glow Mini Liquid Highlighter. And this is what it looks like, yeah. That's so pretty. I'm not really a highlighter person. I don't think it's very flattering on my aging skin. 18, we want day number 19, which is here. We have got another lip treatment. This is the Peptide Calm Hydrating Lip Treatment in Sugar Plum. That's 19. We want day number 20, which is down here. We have got another Glow Milk. This is the Cherry Ice Mini Liquid Blush. Oh, how pretty is that? That is stunning. Absolutely stunning. That was 20. We want day number 21, which is just at the side of it. We have got the Mini Hydrating Hand Cream. This is such a cute little hand cream size. Like, such a cute little size. Like, it's 15 grams. We want day number 22, which is up here. We have got the Cherie Noir Mini Hydrating Body Wash, and this is in a 30ml size as well. And then we want 23. I can't believe we're coming to the end. I'm absolutely gutted. 23, which is here. We have got, what are you? We have got this Sculpt and Lift Mascara, and how cute is the packaging on this? I will try and find an image of what the mascara wand looks like. I don't really want to open products up just in case I'm not going to use them, or vice versa, and especially not mascara because I probably will use that, but I don't want to open it up before I need to. That's 23. We're 24. This little one up here. That little Glow Milk, or little one of these. This is the Regal Rose Mini Gloss Lip Tint, and that is it there. So bonny. I love the size of these. They're so cute. And then day number 25, our final day. We have got another setting mist. We've got the Airbrush Blurring Setting Mist, and it is for all skin types. And that is the Beauty Crop Mini Advent Calendar. What do you guys think of it? I really liked it. Every item, I'm looking here, I think every day has been a day, like an actual day. The only two that I think people could say were filler days, maybe 3 if they count the perfumes, are these, but I actually don't even think they're filler days for how much each day was working out. This has got so much fragrance, it's actually quite unreal. And I love these little brushes because I will actually use them, and I like this as well. But I know that would be like what people would say are filler days. In my opinion, for £35, I think this is such a little bargain, especially if you're wanting to try products from the brand. Granted, I've heard that this brand can be quite reasonably priced, like on TikTok and that, but I don't really shop on TikTok, so I don't know. But I'm happy with what I got from this brand, from this Advent Calendar. I definitely think it's worth it, and I will link it down below for you guys. I think this for £35 for one of them more budget Advent Calendars, like if you think the Profusion Advent Calendar's 30, is it? Yeah, I think this is a good one. I really do. I think this is a good one. I definitely would recommend it. But I hope you enjoyed this video one anyways. If you like these type of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you soon.